Welcome to nononsensebooking.com. In this video, I will show you how you can book a property on booking.com without paying anything. First thing first, enter your basic search details like location, the dates, and the number of guests traveling, and click on search. Now from the search results, you need to look out for two things. The first one is no prepayment needed, pay at the property. This is the option which involves no upfront payment. However, they will still need you to enter a card details, but it won't be charged. Now the next important thing is you need to look for free cancellation option as well, basically, which means you will be charged at the arrival, not before that. And if you need to cancel, you can just click on free cancellation. So let me show you how this works. So click on see availability here. That will open up the property details page. Now these are the room options they have available for these dates. Choose the room, but make sure you always look out for this free cancellation and no prepayment needed. Click on that and then click on I'll reserve. And on the following page, enter your travel details and click on next final details. And on the next page, choose the first option, pay at the property. You will still need to enter a card details, but you won't be charged until you reach the property. And if needed, you can still cancel it before a certain date, which will be highlighted here. And you will receive your booking confirmation straight after this, and you can cancel anytime. You won't be charged anything upfront. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.